At TE Connectivity, our devoted engineering team is spearheading efforts to create a more sustainable and eco-conscious future, starting with our homes. Our global workforce is dedicated to developing more energy-efficient applications, impacting our lives both inside and outside the house. Now more than ever, it's crucial that we take control of our personal energy consumption. By embracing and implementing effective energy management practices, we're striving to create a more sustainable world, one home at a time.
TE is aligning with current global trends that focus on energy management in and out of the home, pushing new and innovative solutions. Some of these trends include increased focus globally on environmentally friendly products, new demands in food preparation, shifting appliance usage in the home, homes becoming the office for long-term flexible work, and designing the home with considerations for overall health and well-being, adding green features as a value add to the modern home market, and technology that automates energy-saving practices with little to no effort.
Across the globe, nations are pouring resources into clean energy technology, responding to a growing consumer demand for more efficient, seamless, and superior experiences in their homes and vehicles. As we look towards the future, we foresee a shift where consumers will rely on their homes not only for energy consumption, but also for complete energy generation and storage as these technologies gain broader adoption.
Two of the biggest trends we are seeing in appliances today are the need for clean energy and energy savings. One of the devices that stands on the forefront of both of these trends is the heat pump. Unlike traditional electric resistance or fossil fuel heating, these systems don't actually produce heat. Instead, they operate by transferring heat from one location to another. This makes the heat pump one of the most efficient forms of heating on the market today. This versatile technology can be applied in a variety of applications, including home heating, hot water heaters, and clothes dryers, just to name a few. As this technology takes hold, we expect to see further advancements in efficiency, such as the utilization of inverter motors, advanced sensing, and even AI. And at TE, we are working hard to make sure our customers are equipped with a wide range of sensors, power connectors, signal connectors, terminals and splices, magnet wire solutions, heat shrink, switches, and relays. Another key technology that is transforming the home appliance space is batteries. Cordless appliances have been a common fixture in our homes for some time, but now we're starting to see batteries power larger and larger devices, such as lawn and garden equipment. Battery systems provide a unique challenge in connectivity, though, due to their demands for high durability and high current. Yet again, TE's relays, connectors, passives, switches, and electrical products help to meet the increased demand for alternative energy sources in and out of the home.
We've actually done a couple things recently. The first was an installation of a heat pump. We use that for both heating and cooling, which is much more efficient than traditional AC or some of the other heating methods. And we've also switched to eco-thermostats, smart thermostats for both heating and cooling. So we actually, I think, have 5 for all the zones. So yeah, we're really trying to drive for that more kind of energy efficiency in our house.
As a global industrial technology leader, TE is committed to listening to customers' requirements and finding new and innovative ways to develop solutions that realize the most complex design challenges. TE is designing products that perform under high power, in high temperatures, while maintaining a compact construction and utilizing flame retardant materials, making them safe and reliable.
With the continued development of 3D printing capabilities, TE is able to leverage several distinct advantages to our customers. These advantages include design flexibility. 3D printing allows for more design freedom and complexity, faster prototyping and production. 3D printing eliminates the need for tooling, cost effectiveness. 3D printing doesn't require tooling and excels in low volume production or when customization and rapid prototyping are required. Sustainability. 3D printing reduces tooling materials and provides the ability to redesign to use less material.
At TE Connectivity, we are making every connection count, and it starts with our manufacturing, engineers, and global teams working together. Together, we're creating a safer, sustainable, productive, and connected future, the critical foundations to energy management and storage.